Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings, of course. To do that, press the Chrome button to wake up the screen on your watch, then press it again to open the menu, and now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called Connectivity. Tap on it, then scroll through the menu, find the Wi-Fi option, of course, and tap on it. And here, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and then find the option called Saved Networks, and tap on it. And here you have a list of networks that are saved on our watch, and basically, whenever the watch is in the vicinity of one of these networks and it has like the best signal strength, it will try to connect to that network automatically. And to disconnect from the network, you need to basically remove it from this list. So tap on the network, on the one you want to disconnect from, then tap on Forget, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the watch won't connect to this network anymore, so it won't appear right here at the top of the list saying connected. And you can do it with the multiple networks if you want to. You can then also reconnect to that network later on if you like to. Just if you want to disconnect from it, you need to forget it. Okay, and then we can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.